Is your business in an industry that's considered high risk? Are you struggling to find a financial platform that understands the unique challenges and regulations you face? You're not alone. In today's global economy, many businesses operate in sectors that financial institutions view with caution. This can make it incredibly difficult to open accounts, process payments, and expand internationally. Navigating the complexities of financial compliance is a major hurdle for many entrepreneurs. You've got a great business idea, a solid plan, and a growing customer base, but if you're in an industry like online gambling, cryptocurrency, or even certain types of digital content, you might find yourself hitting a wall when it comes to financial services. This isn't just about a bank saying no, it's about a fundamental gap in the financial ecosystem. The lack of suitable partners can stifle growth, prevent you from reaching new markets, and ultimately, put a cap on your ambitions. So, how does a platform like Airwallex, which prides itself on simplifying global business, handle these industries? The reality is that no financial institution can be a one-size-fits-all solution. Due to regulatory requirements, risk management policies, and global compliance standards, platforms like Airwallex have to draw a line. These restrictions are in place to protect both the platform and its users, ensuring that all transactions are secure, legitimate, and adhere to international laws. Airwallex has a clear set of guidelines for the types of businesses it can and cannot support. This isn't a secret, it's a critical part of their operational framework. The restricted industries typically fall into categories that are either highly regulated, prone to fraud, or subject to international sanctions. Think of sectors that deal with large volumes of transactions, sensitive data, or products that have strict legal controls. For example, businesses involved in adult content, firearms, illegal narcotics, or multi-level marketing schemes are often on this list. The reasons for these restrictions are multifaceted. They're not about judging a business's legitimacy but rather about managing inherent risks. For instance, the cryptocurrency space is a hotbed for innovation, but it also presents unique challenges related to anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations. Similarly, online gambling and other gaming industries are subject to complex licensing and legal frameworks that vary dramatically from country to country. Navigating this web of regulations is a resource-intensive task, and many financial platforms simply choose to focus on industries where compliance is more standardized. Understanding these restrictions is crucial for any business looking to partner with a global financial platform. It's not about finding a way around the rules, it's about knowing where your business stands and finding the right financial partner that can support your specific needs. If your business falls into one of these restricted categories, it doesn't mean you're out of luck. It just means you need to do your homework and seek out platforms that specialize in or are specifically built for your industry. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.